My name is Safety Okezie. Today I want us to look at rigging. What is rigging? Rigging is a systematic way of lifting an object. But if you ask a common man in the street what is rigging, he will tell you rigging is what? Those that works what? Offshore, or those that goes to drill oil, or that works in a platform. Rigging is a systematic way of lifting what? An object using what? Crane and forklift. Now let's look at rigging lifting equipment. Like I've mentioned, we have what? Crane or what? Forklift. Then what are rigging gears? Rigging gears. Rigging gears are what? Spider beams, bars, hooks, shackle, chain block. Then we have what? Sling. What is sling? What is sling? Sling is what? That rope they normally tie to a crane to lift what? A load. That is what is called what? Sling. Then we have types of sling. We have what? The wire sling. We have what? The synthetic sling. And we have what? The chain sling. The chain sling. Then I have a wire sling. Wire. This is what's called a what? Wire sling. Now, what are hitches? What are hitches? Hitches are what? Configurations on how you tie what? The sling to what? The rope to lift it. Depending on what you want to lift, you have a particular type of hitches, a configuration that you have that you want to use. Like maybe if you want to lift, if a crane wants to lift something like a what is it called? A container. If crane wants to lift a container, if you watch, they normally tie the sling 4 different ways to lift it. You understand? If it's a load or maybe a wood, they will tie it at the center. The way you tie that what? Hitches. Sorry. The way you tie the sling to the load is what is called what? Hitches. So we have types of hitches. We have vertical hitches. When you tie it to lift it straight, it's called what? Vertical hitches. Then we have choker. You just use the rope and choke the load to lift it. Then we have what? Basket hitches. Basket hitches are the types of what? Configuration we normally use if we want to lift a container. That is what is called what? Basket hitches. Then we talked about lifting equipment. Crane. You know, we have different types of crane. We have telescopic boom crane. We have tower crane and other types of crane. Then if you come to crane operation, you have the crane operator, the man operating the crane. Then you also have the rigger. Who is the rigger? The rigger is a competent person that does what? That ties the what? The load to the crane using what? Slings and what? Shackles. It's called what? A rigger. A rigger. You see somebody tying what? The load to the crane. That person is called what? A rigger. Then who is the banksman? Who is the banksman? The banksman is somebody that does what? Give the crane what? Give the crane what? Signal. He normally uses his hand. You see somebody doing like this. Or doing like this. Or stop. That man is called what? Banksman or signal man. We'll stop here for today. I still remain Safety Okezie Ikunze. Thank you very much.